Look, man, I gotta record this video, man, for this fucking sun to go down, dog. I try to catch it. It's right there, man. Look, look. I'm not even gonna let y'all see me, cause, you know, don't forget, I'm the pretty monkey, so, but the pretty monkey gonna excuse yourself for a minute, and look, try to catch the sunset because this morning I caught it. So I want to catch it again, yo. I ain't even gonna lie, I want to catch it again. I'm gonna feel some time. Hold up, look, that's right there, dog. I see it, it's right there. I gotta get it. I gotta get it. I gotta chase after that shit. Just like it's a, yo, there's kids around, dog. I'm just trying to respect the kids today. Only today, though. Be a good dude. And remind, look, hold up. And I keep calling, hoping things will change. I'm trying to move. I'm trying to move. I'm trying to move. I'm trying. And I keep calling and hoping things will change. She don't trust me, I don't trust her. We will never see your world. But the guy will see the girl. Nah, for real, nah. Look, I ain't even want to do this, no singing video. This is gonna be the, look, this is the sunset. It's the view that she wanted to see, fool. Ooh, she don't touch me, I don't touch her. We never see your world. Stop, slow down, bro, because shit be too fast and these people, they be trying to, acting like they trying to crash. Look, she don't trust me, I don't trust her. We never really see your world. So look at the fucking trees, dude. They're like California, don't it? A little bit. Never been to LA, but guess what? Heading that way. Don't trust me, I don't trust her. We don't even see your world. And I keep calling and hoping things will change. Are you just leave me? Just leave me be. Just leave. I got my time back too, motherfuckers. I had to erase a lot of videos. You don't trust me, I don't trust her. We never even see your world. And I keep coming and hoping things will change. I'm trying to move. I'm trying to move. I'm trying to move. Look at this for something. Are you just look. Hold up, I don't want to see this shit, bro. I ain't want to see that fucking little shit. That shit look hard, dude. Gotta go close to it, duh. I'm barely holding. Oh. See, no matter what it takes, I gotta get it together, baby. Yeah. off, man. Oh yeah, that shit do look. Matter of fact, he is right, man. This is fucking good ass fucking view. This is shit I was looking for, dude. This is what I was looking for, yo. This is exactly what I was looking for. Look, right here. Look at this shit, dude. Hold up. This is a good view. I ain't gonna lie. He right. He caught my attention. I'm glad I heard him, yo. Cause look, I'ma show you. Look. This. Look at this shit, bro. Look. See? That beautiful. Dog, look at this shit. I'm trying to get a better. Oh man, I can't do this shit, man. I can't fucking do it, dude. Can I? Ah, I did it. Ooh, never can't. Never can't. Keep coming and hoping things will change. Look at that shit, bro. Look at it. Hold up. Look at. I'm trying to look. I want to get look. Look at the. Hold up, bro. Look at this shit, bro. You see this? Hold up. Damn, I had it the first time. Right here. Oh man, come on, you stupid bitch. Ha! Keep coming and hoping things will change. I'm trying to move. I'm trying to move. I'm trying to move. Swear to God, yo. Look at this shit, yo. Look, oh, look at that. You see that shit, dog? I'm trying to move. I'm trying to move. Why you just leave me? Just. She don't touch me. I don't touch her. Feel it, say a word. But the dad is there, the girl. Cause we will never be the same. I'm standing in the gas, and you been a flame, but I'm sorry, just wouldn't do it. Hey, look, the pretty monkey, yo. Look, that's my new name from now on, man. Don't call me Mike Jones. Call me the pretty monkey now, cause look, this is an even better view now. Hold on. She don't touch me, I don't touch her. Baby, see your word. Hey, look, so shout out to that little kid, right? The little white kid. You know, they called me a monkey, man. I don't know why he did, I don't know. But, maybe he was, I don't know, maybe shout out to that little white kid, though. Gotta thank that little white kid, man. When I see him a kid, man, he, you know, hope he say it. Because he remind me, oh, that's him. I don't know. Woo! Little white kid. Nah, boy. She don't touch me, I don't touch her. Feel me when I see your word. Oh, look at that shit, bro. Ooh, look at that. Man, this shit is beautiful, bro. You think I'm beautiful? Wow, yo. You see that shit, bro? I'm talking about, I want to leave my city. No time soon, baby. Yo, hold on. She don't touch me, I don't touch her. Be me when I see your word. No, I'm not even gonna lie though. Look, dog, my city is one of the only cities, bro, that you will actually see celebrities that just, you know, chilling. They just be chilling by themselves, yo, like, for real. Whether entourage or whatever, but, you know, for the most part, my city is a city that you would find the motherfuckers I'm talking about. Look, for real. You just gotta be in certain spots, you know. Me, I happen to be at that certain spot where they was at when I saw them, so it ain't nothing, you know. I just wish, you know, nah, I ain't gonna lie, they weren't live on video. They was hood stars. They weren't live no video. I ain't gonna lie, but I respect that. Ooh, hold up. You don't touch me, I don't touch her. We don't even see your word. Look. Why you just leave me? Just leave me be. I'm barely holding on. Whatever with the tease, I gotta get again to be back, yeah. And these, I've been, oh my God, oh yeah, look. You see that shit? That shit, what? Dog, that's a sight, dog. Look at that. Yo, look, for real, bro. I love it, man. Cause I don't even care, look. The prettiest girl could be walking around right now, I wouldn't even care, look. This pretty right here, look. Dog, this is pretty to me, look. All that, dog, look. Bro, if the prettiest girl just passed me, guess what? I ain't even see her. All I saw is this right here. This all I saw, look. This all I saw. Woo. This all I saw, bro. That's all I saw. Hold up, bro. Cause I'm trying to find out. Oh, look. It's this way, the sunset. I forget. Cap against you, man. Like, oh, dude, look at you. I gotta go straight over here, bro. Over here to the front. I gotta catch it, bro, cause it's right over here. It's right over there, bro. It looks so beautiful too, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. Oh, fuck. Woo! That shit worked. They got it out. Did it? Look, you see that? Man, I don't trust to see that. But look, nah, this shit. Shout out. Oh, y'all, the pretty, right? Pretty people, the ugly people, all y'all fat, skinny. I don't even care what y'all is. Whatever you think you is, that's what you is. Be the best at it, for real. Because even if I was ugly, trust me. Oh, look. All right, look. So look, it's a view. It's gonna show 14 minutes already for. Look, this is the view, man. Look, bro, we play this, round this shit back. Cause my face, bro. My face is nothing. Look, compared to what you see up above. Look, you see that shit, cuz? Ooh. Dog, look, this shit confused. This shit is confusing because, you know, it's rotating around my head and I can't get it the straight angle. Look. Oh, look. He there, look, a top. Pointed. It's like a magic wand. Pointed. Nah, man, I'm the fucking Don. Ooh. You don't wanna see the thing on my. I gotta clear my throat, man, so I can sing better, cause they and do better. Yeah. I gotta follow that shit, man. I gotta follow it. It's right over there. I gotta follow it right there. Look, I gotta follow. Look, see that? That's hard. You gotta be raw that shit, nigga. That's hard, nigga. You got to be raw on that. And look, this ain't even no HD or nothing. Special effects. This is me. This my angles, you know? This my angles, dog. Straight up. And look, I ain't went to school for this. This is all freestyle. I suck at that. Look, but now I got better today. Woo-hoo! You rhyme this though. Play it. You rhyme it back. This your boy Mike Jones in the building. And you already know. Look, and it's still behind me though. Look, it's still behind me. You see it? Look, look, it's still behind me. Look, you see it? It's still behind me. Look, as I walk, it's still behind me as I walk. That's crazy. I lost it. Look. I got it. Hey, it'll be nice though, man. Mother Nature is so nice, man. Hey, you know, hey, thanks to you, dog. I ain't gonna lie, bro. No, it was you.
Yeah,
for real, bro.
About me. This is the guy.
No, you.
Yeah, it's the guy. It's not me. It's this the guy.
You was like, oh, it's the rain is in the sky.
Fuck yeah, look at me, my son.
Didn't you say that?
Fuck yeah! Good question. Between you and me.
No,
Stop smoking that weed.
No, look.
So where can I get some tree around here, man?
I don't know, bro.
Don't lie to me like that.
I'm not lying to you,
Don't
bro.
lie to me like that.
I'm not, bro. I'm serious.
Pull out the pen. Pull out
I'm not,
the
bro.
pen. You're lying.
I mean, you wouldn't even help me. Like, if I could help you, you wouldn't even help me out.
You'd have cash in your pocket if you could help me.
Hey, help me, help you.
You would have
help us.
cash in your pocket if you could help me.
I know. I can't.
I feel you.
Not right now, bro.
we got you.
I just can't.
Can you
That
get a
shirt's
Papo?
fresh as fuck, man.
Huh?
Yeah, we
That
need to
shirt's fresh as fuck.
I appreciate that, man. Hey, look.
Can you get a PO?
Help me out. Help me out.
I need help myself.
Help me
man.
out,
What
bro.
the fuck you talking about?
Help
I
me
need a
out.
lot of help.
I know, bro. Look at that tree.
Hey, you
That's
know
a good
what?
ass view.
This is what I'm going to tell you.
Nah, because you said it was the rain is in the sky.
You know what? If you ain't getting gonna make it rain right now, don't put on the fucking POP.
Huh?
You need to get high.
Help me out, bro, please.
I'm gonna
One
help
of y'all.
you.
Joint. If you got a joint,
No, I ain't
trade
got,
me
I ain't,
joint
I,
for
ain't, I, ain't,
cash,
I ain't
man.
got no joint, bro. I wish
that's
I
what we're
could.
looking for.
Then we
Help me
lost
out,
each
bro.
other.
we're looking for money. We're looking for a fucking.
We're not looking for money. Me and my
Help me
son
out,
are
bro.
looking to get high.
We're looking for help too. You help us, we'll help you. You
I don't
can't help
have-
us,
I
we
don't-
can't help you.
I don't have.
There you go, brother.
We need it. We
We
need it.
got
I don't
so
have.
much
So I don't
money,
have
we can't
nothing, bro.
fucking food.
I don't have nothing, bro. I don't have no
Send the
weed, bro.
Send the fucking POB.
I don't have no weed.
Send it
What
out.
are those little things?
Oh, man.
No.
Nah,
What is that? What is that?
I don't have no weed though. I don't have no weed.
No, we can't.
Yesterday I got rid of it. Last night,
I feel you, man.
If
if I would have knew, man, I would have seen it. I would got rid of it last night, bro.
Get high.
But, hey, come on, dog, bro. Bro.
We got more money than you.
No,
We need
I ain't
a
never-
joint.
I ain't
man.
never
That's the
said
only thing
you
we're
that.
gonna trade cash for is a joint in my hands.
No, bro. Thanks. You look in the sky, bro. Look in the sky, bro. Keep looking in the sky. That fucking shit, man. This shit, video just look too fucking long, too, dude. And look at this shit, bro. Look at this shit, man. Look at all this shit, bro. Man, that shit look beautiful. Look at this shit, dude. Better recognize, look. You see me? I ain't even knew I look that good on this motherfucker. You better play it back. Look, I know it's too long, but look, it ain't whack. And look, and with that note, I'm ending off with that, yo. You already know. 305, Dade County, Miami, Carol City, in the house. Don't show no pity. This a man, Mike Jones, in the building. You already know. It's on, look, this the building, this the video. Look, I don't even know what to name it. Dog, look at this shit. This shit's so beautiful. It ain't even be famous, dog. Look, it's gonna be famous. You see the sky? You wanna know why, right? Man, look. Coming through. I supposed to be following though. Look, the sunset. Is it 7 o'clock yet? Oh, shit. Look, man. Play no more, man. Say no more. I'm about to end this right here. Hold on, man. 34. It's 34 minutes, man. It's on 21. I might see. I'm chasing it right now, son. I'm chasing the sun, son. Son. I'm chasing the sun, son. And you already know. It's over there, yo. I'm chasing the sun day, night. I chased the sun that morning, now I'm chasing that. I chased it in the morning, now it's that. For real. In the morning, I caught that bitch. That bitch was looking so pretty. But I ain't want to put it on video because I would blind your eyes like, look, and the sun is so hot. Now, look, it's over there. I'ma see it. I'ma see it. This time I'ma catch it. Yeah, and I got it. Man, I don't know what's going on out here, man. Shit. Damn, boy. 22 minutes, dog. 22 minutes, bro. 22 minutes. 22 minutes, dog. 22 minutes approximately. That's what she like. Like. And look, the sunset. I want to catch the sunset, bro. I want to catch the sunset, man. Hold me up, bro. Hold on, excuse me. I gotta catch the sunset right quick. Hold up. Like she want a good time, girl. Oh, you're mine. Said you want a good time, girl. The flowers on it. Look, I'ma catch it, man. That bitch over there, bro. I see it. See, look, now, this the hour they're gonna start fucking speeding and going fast, so this shit gonna be crazy. And guess what? I'm not gonna fucking get my shit crazy. Now I gotta stop traffic now, cause this shit gonna get out of hand. I'm gonna show you our first saying, look. 24, all right, 24, 34, 24, 34, look. The sunset right there, whore. You see it? Said she want a good time, girl. I be on your mind. Tell you, that's right. Tell that nigga to watch out, shorty. You right? Hey, that's right, shorty. Tell that nigga to watch out, shorty. That's right. Hey, look. Look at the sunset right there, bro. Look. Look. I want to catch the bitch, man. I want to see it. 30, 20, 25, bro. 25, right? Hold up, bro. Hold up. Bro, look at the sun. Shit right over there. Time is it? Anyway, I ain't even know. Said you want a good time, girl. Oh, you're mine. Woo! Yeah. My bad for the singing, though. My bad for the singing, but she gonna look at it anyway, because it's the girls watch this. And the fact the girls. Girls, speaking of girls. Damn, I want to get that sunset so fucking bad. Look, I showed y'all the murder nature part. Now I'm gonna show y'all the real part, the murder. I show y'all murder nature, now I gotta show y'all the murders. Hold on. Bad mothers, hold on. And they on here, they on this side. The girls. Let me show you the view. That's it. Enough right there. You know? I told you, I'm gonna step my game up, cause you know, you don't wanna see my pretty monkey ass face, do you? So, you know, I just let you know, cause you know, it is what it is, but at the end of the day, look, I like y'all because y'all motherfucking tune in to the boy, and y'all fuck with the kid, and look, no matter what it is, y'all tune in to the kid. So look, give y'all some. This is my treat to y'all, cause I don't know what's going on today still. I still don't know what's going on today, but I just know I love it. I fucking love it every minute. Oh yeah, 7 Ave. I forget. That's where I'm supposed to go, bro. 7 Ave, bro. That's where I'm supposed to go. 7 Ave, bro. 7 Ave. 7 Ave, 7 Ave, 7 Ave, bro. 10. It's 10. It's 10. It's 10. It's 10. Why it's 10, bro? Look, bro. So you want a good time. House music. House music. Yeah. White people, man, they be trying me girls on rock a lot, bro. But I love them, bro. I fucking love them motherfuckers for real, bro. Here I am, baby. Here I am, baby. My bad for the singing, man. Too much, man. My bad. I'm just trying to show y'all the real shit. Fuck that. I got my earbuds in. You gonna hear that shit anyway. But I'm rapping and singing. Just tune in, nigga. Cause it's y'all niggas in the same shit. It doesn't matter. Anyway, look. So you want a good time. If I heard all the way for ya. I put my hand on the beat for you. You know I do anything for you. Oh, I will go through all this pain. Take a bullet straight through my brain. Guess I would die for you, baby. But you would do the same. You wouldn't do the same. Hold on, man. Catch that fucking sunset. Look, this is 7th Avenue, man. What the fuck am I getting sidetracked for? That's crazy. Hold up. Nice. Nice. Damn, 30. 30. Uh-oh. You ain't got long, man. It won't be long, bro. I'm gonna end off my pretty monkey face because, you know, the pretty monkey in the house. And look, shout out to bless them, whoever said it, but you gotta dogs, because, oh yeah, I forget, hanging in the streets. Oh, bring this shit back. 7 walkers. Hold on. It's most likely it's gonna be, it's gonna, I put my head on the air for you. You know I'd do anything for you. Oh, oh, oh. Hold on, man. I think it's coming up, man. That bitch. I know, I can feel it. Look. I'm gonna try to meet my girl, man. My #1 girl in the whole wide world. Cause I'm gonna show you her, and I'm gonna show you my #1 girl in the whole wide world, right? Look, I'm gonna show you her, man, cause you know, long story short, man, this girl, every day I go to this girl, man, and I spend time with this girl, and you know. I take pictures of her, and I love her, and I love her, man, and I sing to her, and I do my thing to her, and I love this girl, man, with all my heart. And I try to, it's on 32 right now, ain't that long. So I'm gonna show you her. I love this girl with all my heart, man. I love this girl, man, and this girl, man, I want to marry her, man, but long story short, right, I want to marry this girl. Damn, boy, I didn't think I ain't gonna catch her. Hold up, man, where's she at, man? See? Is it see? Too long, motherfucker. I gotta do some shit, man, ready for because, hold up, bro. I think you still got time. Yeah, man. This girl, let me show you her. Let me show you her right quick because, you know, it's about to end. Let me show you this girl though. My girl, man, my #1 girl. I gotta show you her. This girl, I don't even know. Matter of fact, I forgot what the street was at. This shit is on 7th Ave. I'm looking there, so 7th Street is it. It's a street right here. It's a street. So she should be somewhere. She should be somewhere. That's it, man. I can't show you her now. Oh, look, she right here. There she go. I found the bitch. It's my look. It's my girl right here. Look. My favorite girl, man. I found her, look, before the time was up. Well, look at that, bro. Yeah, man. Look, that's my #1 girl, man. You know? And look, the time, oh, fuck, hold up. Come on, I ain't straight, though.